Today we've got a solution for Android users who want to take their phone's content to the big screen. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or sharing content with friends and family, mirroring your Android device to your Fire TV stick is a fantastic option. So let's dive into this. Requirements for mirroring. Before we get started, let's go over what you'll need first. First, you'll need an Android device that supports screen mirroring. Most Android devices released after Android 5.0 Lollipop are compatible. Next, you'll need a Google Chromecast device. This could be a Google Chromecast with Google TV or a TV with built-in Chromecast support. I'll put a link in the description down below of where you can get one. Method 1. Using Google Home app. The most reliable way to mirror your Android screen is through the Google Home app. You probably already have this app if you've set up Google devices before. If not, you can download it from the Play Store. Simply open the app, select your Chromecast device, tap Cast My Screen, and follow the on-screen prompts. To stop mirroring, use the Stop Mirroring button within the app. Method 2. Quick Settings Panel. Another handy method is using the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of your Android device's screen to access the panel. Look for Screencast or Smart View. Tap to start casting. You may also see a cast button within certain apps, like YouTube. This allows you to cast specific app content. However, it's not available on all Android phones. No cast button in Quick Settings? No problem. Now, if you can't find the cast button in your Quick Settings, don't worry. You can still mirror your screen using the Google Home app. Tips and precautions. A quick heads up, when mirroring your screen, everything on your phone will be on your TV, including notifications. To avoid disruptions, enable Do Not Disturb mode. Also note that there might be a slight lag when gaming, so consider this when playing more intensive games. Well, that's it. You now have the power to cast and mirror your Android device to your TV with ease. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.